What is up, guys and girls? James Neville-Taylor here, and today I want to talk to you about why I love Builderall. A lot of people, they think that the only reason a lot of people are involved in Builderall is because of the money, because of the affiliate side of things, and nothing could be further from the truth. The affiliate opportunity is awesome, but the most important thing to me has been the connections that I've made, the people that I've met, and the friendships that I've developed because of the community. The number one thing I love about Builderall is the community and the helpfulness of the community. If it wasn't for the Builderall community, I wouldn't be anywhere near where I am right now. Some of you know my story, where I came from, but for those of you that don't know, when I first started Builderall, I was at an all-time low. Like, I literally couldn't even make a post on Facebook. I couldn't do a video. I couldn't even speak a couple of words on video. I was so broken, for lack of a better word. But piece by piece, with the Builderall community, they've helped bring me up. They've encouraged me and inspired me, and really helped me out from a dark place what I was in. I mean, I look back at how differently things could have been if I wasn't in such a supportive community. If people had ridiculed me, if people had laughed at me, then I don't know what would have happened. I could have just crawled back into nothingness and gone away. But the Builderall community is not like that. I've never met such a helpful community with such giving people. Literally, a lot of the people in the Builderall community I consider family and very dear friends. The CEO Eric has been really awesome. He's got such a huge heart, such an amazing person, and all the Builderall team, all the staff that I've met and spoke to have been really nice, really supportive, and they actually enjoy working there. I've spoke to some of the developers, I've spoke to the programmers, and it's a really family supportive team atmosphere. It's not like some places where it's just stress and anxiety. It's a really, just like the Builderall community, the actual team and staff behind it are all really close as well, which is why I think we have such an amazing platform. I mean, and tools and things can be developed, can be duplicated, but it's the family atmosphere, the heart and the vision and the drive which you cannot replicate anywhere else. You can't replicate someone's heart, you can't replicate someone's vision, and you can't replicate that team spirit which we all have in the Builderall community. So that's why I love Builderall. The main reason I love Builderall is because of the community, the family atmosphere, and the people that I consider to be dear friends and family, because of how supportive everyone has been. And yeah, I just really love the community and pretty much everyone in it. The second reason I love it, of course, is the tools. There's not a platform on the planet that delivers as much value as Builderall, because if you were to get the amount of tools that we have anywhere else, you would be looking at hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a month. So there is not another platform which delivers this many tools for such a low price. It is seriously underpriced. I keep telling Eric he needs to add another zero to the price, and it would still be valuable. So the second reason is because of the tools. I love the tools. I use the tools in my business every single day. And the third reason is because of the opportunity in the community right now. I mean, I literally came from nothing when I first started Builderall, and I've rose up to become one of the top leaders in the company and one of the most respected people in the community from absolutely nothing. So there's huge opportunity. I mean, if you go into Wix or another platform, they're more established. They've got their leaders, they've got their people in, and it's a lot harder to make a name for yourself in those communities. And Builderall still has a lot more room for growth. There's a lot more that we're planning to do, that we're planning to develop, and you can become a leader in any niche. You can become a leader in the email autoresponder, for example, or you can be a leader in the chatbot, you can be a leader in the canvas, to all the other tools. So there's so much opportunity for enterprise and entrepreneurs to make a name for themselves and really come in and do some good with the community. Eric, the CEO, is always bringing in top people who are out promoting, who are out doing really well, bringing them into the leadership and into the development. So there's huge opportunity right now in Builderall for everyone involved. So number one is the community. I love the community. I love the people in it. I love the leadership. I love the CEO, and I love the community as a whole because of what they have helped me achieve and become. Two is the tools. The tools are absolutely amazing. Like I said, I use them every day in my business. So the tools are really, really cool. And third is the amount of opportunity that you've got in the community, in the tools right now to make a name for yourself, where it would be much more difficult in other spaces. So there's my top 3 reasons that I love Builderall, and there's a lot more reasons that I love Builderall, but I could be here all day telling you about that, so I don't want to make this video too long, but they are my top 3 reasons why I love Builderall. So thank you for watching today, guys. I hope to see you again. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, hit the subscribe, and keep an eye out for any of my future videos. Thanks, guys. See you next time.